ingredients for chicken enchilada dinner. Chicken, all shredded up, salt and pepper, lemon, cilantro, onion, hot sauce, and we'll have Mexican style rice with refried beans and flour and corn tortillas. So now we have to assemble it all. So today my husband's going to help me make these enchiladas, and he's adding onions to the chicken, cilantro, and then we're going to add some salt and pepper, a little bit of lemon, and a little bit of hot sauce. You're going to give that a good mix, and that's going to be the filling for your enchiladas. And we have to add the enchilada sauce. So we're going to warm up the tortillas, put it into the enchilada sauce, put the mixture into it, and then put it into the Pyrex dish, and then we're going to top it with cheese. After you have rolled them up and put them in the dish, you're going to want to add the rest of the enchilada sauce. And then after you've added the enchilada sauce, you're going to top it with your cheese. You can also add olives, but today we are not adding olives. Now you're going to cover it with foil and put it in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes, and you're going to have amazing enchiladas. Now we're going to make some homemade guacamole. You will need onions, cilantro, tomato, and avocado, lemon, salt and pepper, and hot sauce. Okay, we have 3 smashed avocados, cilantro, onion, tomato, salt and pepper, and a little bit of lemon. Now we're going to mix it all together. Now we're going to stir it all up and incorporate it all together. Forgot to mention you can add hot sauce if you like yours spicy. And there you have it. Nice guacamole dip. And there you have it, chicken enchilada dinner with rice and beans, topped with sour cream and guacamole. Time to enjoy. Thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.